The city of Toronto, the provincial capital of Ontario, is not only Canada's largest but also one of the most culturally diverse. It's home to a diverse range of museums, galleries and landmarks, including the iconic CN Tower. Additionally, Niagara Falls is easily accessible via car. The Distillery District is full of interesting stores and restaurants housed in beautifully renovated buildings. And the neighboring entertainment district is where you'll find the newest musicals and the best restaurants. Many of Toronto's most popular sites are within reasonable walking distance of each other, and the city's subway system makes traveling further distances a breeze. Welcome to the Itinerant Traveler, and in this video you'll discover the most spectacular sightseeing spots in Toronto. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for travel-related videos. Number 7. Yonge-Dundas Square. At the crossroads of Yonge Street and Dundas Street East in the heart of Toronto, you'll find Yonge-Dundas Square. This lively square, established as part of the regeneration efforts in the neighborhood, was designed by Brown and Story architects. It was completed in 2002, and since then it's become a well-known landmark and a popular tourist destination in Toronto. Yonge-Dundas Square is the beating core of the downtown Yonge entertainment and commercial sector, and it has a busy and dynamic vibe not unlike New York City's Times Square. The square is always buzzing with activity thanks to the many public events, performances, and art exhibits that are held there daily. During the warmer months, it plays host to a variety of concerts and acts on its sizable stage. Large billboard screens and corporate logos shine constantly, giving the area a distinctive and energetic atmosphere. Whether you're in the mood to dance the night away, take in a concert, or just take in the sights and sounds of downtown, Yonge-Dundas Square is not to be missed as one of the best sightseeing spots in Toronto. Number 6. High Park and Zoo. High Park and Zoo are two of the city's most popular attractions. You can find High Park in the western section of Toronto with ease. High Park is well known for its beautiful gardens, peaceful ponds, and scenic walking paths. It's a peaceful refuge from the bustle of the city, ideal for camping, picnicking, and other outdoor pursuits. Grenadier Pond is a great place to rent paddle boats and spend a warm afternoon fishing. Sakura or cherry blossoms bloom at High Park every year from late April to early May. Thousands of people flock to this sightseeing spot in Toronto to see the cherry blossoms when they're in full bloom. High Park Zoo is a wonderful destination in and of itself. The little space accommodates a wide range of domestic and exotic animals, from bison to llamas to peacocks to reindeer to capybaras. Nature enthusiasts, families, and tourists looking for a relaxing time in Toronto will find what they're looking for in High Park and Zoo. Number 5. Harbourfront Centre and Toronto's Waterfront. Visit Harbourfront Centre and the beautiful Toronto Waterfront to see all that Toronto has to offer by the water. Harbourfront Centre, located on the banks of Lake Ontario, is a bustling cultural and recreational harbour. Don't miss out on exciting events, including Canada Day celebrations, the Toronto International Festival of Authors, the Hot and Spicy Food Festival, and the Toronto Jazz Festival. Enjoy the magic of winter at the Natural Rink, an outdoor rink with breathtaking lake views. The marinas at the center provide sailing instruction, boat rentals, kayaking, canoeing, and paddleboarding for anyone interested in getting out on the water. A long, beautiful promenade beckons visitors to Toronto's waterfront, just steps away from the Harbourfront Centre, where they can enjoy breathtaking views of the lake and the city skyline. The combination of Harbourfront Centre and Toronto's waterfront is a must-visit destination, as it showcases the city's thriving culture, stunning natural scenery, and alluring waterfront ambiance. Number 4. City Hall and Nathan Phillips Square. Located in the center of Nathan Phillips Square and ornamented with Henry Moore's iconic bronze sculpture, The Archer, City Hall is a symbol of Toronto. Designed by the brilliant Finnish architect Viljo Revel and finished in 1965, this architectural masterpiece still impresses today. In the winter, the man-made pond in the square in front of City Hall is transformed into a popular ice skating rink. The city's also home to the much-photographed Toronto sign. When decorated for the Christmas holidays, this region takes on a mystical air throughout December as one of the best sightseeing spots in Toronto. Thousands of people gather each year on New Year's Eve to ring in the new year, with live music, spectacular fireworks, and the iconic countdown projected onto the rounded towers of City Hall. As a gathering place for people from all around to celebrate important cultural and social events, Nathan Phillips Square also acts as a starting point for parades and marches. Toronto's City Hall and Nathan Phillips Square have long served as emblems of the city's civic pride, cultural vitality, and great architecture. Together, they extend a welcoming invitation to experience the city's fascinating history, exciting cultural offerings, and vibrant public areas. Number 3. Casa Loma. The majestic and historically significant Casa Loma in Toronto, Canada, is a well-known landmark and a popular tourist destination. This remarkable structure dates back to 1911 to 1914, when it was commissioned by financier Sir Henry Pallant, who envisioned a great house reminiscent of European castles from the Middle Ages. Spread out over more than 100,000 square feet, Casa Loma is a stunning example of early 20th century wealth and beauty. The historic Casa Loma mansion hosts several annual events and exhibitions, in addition to its museum collection. It's been used in several blockbuster movies, including X-Men, Chicago, and Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. Those interested in Toronto's past, those in awe of the beautiful architecture, and those looking for something truly special should not miss Casa Loma. Explore the splendor of this North American castle and see for yourself why it's remained one of Toronto's most popular tourist destinations for so long. Number 2. The Toronto Islands. Get away from the chaos of downtown Toronto and enjoy the serene beauty of the Toronto Islands. These little islands in Lake Ontario provide a tranquil getaway for history buffs and nature lovers alike, and they're conveniently located just off the coast. The Gibraltar Point Beach Lighthouse, a 200-year-old structure with a spooky backstory, is a must-see. Take a ferry from Queens Quay Terminal to the islands and take in the sights as you sail. Relax with peaceful strolls along scenic paths. Enjoy water sports like rowing, sailing, and swimming, and bask in the outdoors. Open-air festivals and concerts give the Toronto Islands a lively atmosphere during the summer months. The Toronto Islands have some of the city's best beaches, making them a popular destination for summer tourists. Centre Island is home to the Franklin Children's Garden, which has interactive features and educational displays, as well as the Centerville Amusement Park, where kids may enjoy a variety of rides and attractions. Wards Island, with its quaint cottages and tree-lined streets, is a great place to relax if you're looking for a more residential vibe. You can also go to Hanlan's Point, one of Toronto's clothing-optional beaches, if you're feeling very daring. The Toronto Islands are ideal for anyone in need of a respite from city life because of its tranquil environment, beautiful scenery, and packed event schedule. Number 1. The CN Tower. The CN Tower is a symbol of Toronto and a popular tourist destination thanks to its imposing 1,815-foot height above ground. Despite being the city's tallest building, it's frequently struck by lightning, resulting in breathtaking scenes that have been immortalized online. This Canadian icon, which dominates the downtown skyline, is visible from virtually anywhere in the city. You can take in its splendor from the ground, or you can embark on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure to its observation areas or restaurants, both of which provide spectacular views of Toronto and Lake Ontario. On bright days, you can see Niagara Falls and even into New York State. The Edgewalk is an exciting experience for people in search of adrenaline. Participants in this risky sport can walk around the main pod of the tower at a height of 365 meters on a ledge that's only 1.5 meters wide. At 351, you'll find the world-famous 360 restaurant, a revolving dining experience with gourmet fare and breathtaking views. An iconic Toronto landmark and enduring symbol of Canadian national pride, the CN Tower invites you to climb to its observation deck for the same stunning vistas that have drawn tourists to the tower for decades. And there you have it, the best sightseeing spots in Toronto, a city brimming with captivating landmarks and breathtaking views. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Toronto's sightseeing spots offer an array of experiences that will leave you in awe. So grab your camera, pack your curiosity, and embark on an unforgettable journey through the best sightseeing spots Toronto has to offer. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and until next time, safe and happy travels.